What if I told you that you could enjoy an exciting RPG adventure, build a powerful team of heroes, and potentially earn crypto rewards at the same time? Sounds interesting, right? Well, today we're checking out a brand new game called Throne of Chaos, and it might be one of the most promising play to earn RPGs coming to the market. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into free to play games, crypto gaming, and exciting RPG adventures, you're in the right place. Today we're taking a first look at Throne of Chaos, a turn-based RPG where strategy, hero collection, and earning opportunities come together. Before we jump into the gameplay, don't forget to pre-register. Early players can unlock exclusive rewards that will give them a strong start when the game officially launches. Gameplay overview. Now let's talk about the game itself. Throne of Chaos features classic turn-based combat, meaning every move matters. You'll need to create the perfect team by combining tanks, damage dealers, and support heroes. Smart team building and strategy are the keys to victory. Even though the current version is still limited, the gameplay already feels smooth and engaging. Every battle requires planning, making it more exciting than simple autoplay games. Play to earn features. The most exciting part, the play to earn system. Players can farm the game's native token, which is expected to be connected to the cross ecosystem. As the game develops further, these tokens may be converted and traded, creating earning opportunities for dedicated players. The developers have also introduced token minting and burning mechanics, helping build a sustainable in-game economy over time. Heroes, summons, and progression. Of course, no RPG is complete without powerful heroes. You can summon new characters, upgrade their levels, equip stronger gear, and increase their rarity to make them even more powerful. There are different hero elements and classes, allowing players to experiment with team combinations and discover powerful synergies. The game is surprisingly generous with summons, giving players multiple chances to recruit rare heroes without spending money. Offline rewards and marketplace. Another feature worth mentioning is the offline reward system. Even when you're away from the game, your progress continues. When you return, you'll collect resources, experience points, and other valuable rewards based on your current stage progression. There's also a marketplace feature where players may be able to trade valuable items and assets they acquire during gameplay. This could become a major earning opportunity for active players. Overall, Throne of Chaos looks like a promising combination of strategy, hero collection, and play-to-earn mechanics. While we're still waiting for the full global release and English version, the early signs are definitely exciting. What do you think? Is this a game you will be trying when it launches? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest updates on play to earn games, crypto projects, and NFT gaming opportunities. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy farming, good luck on your summons, and I'll see you in the next video.